How to sync Google Calendar with Notion. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can sync Google Calendar with Notion. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now there are a couple of ways to do it, so I'm going to go ahead and go through the best and easiest ones that I found on the internet. So the first one is if you just simply click on a new page, or in the calendar you create a new page, right? If you want to, but it depends on you. I recommend just creating a new page, and we'll just call it calendar. And next we want to empty page, and forward slash we're going to go ahead and click on embed. So you already know we're going to paste a link right here. So now next step, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our calendar right here. We're going to click on this gear icon, which is the setting menu. We're going to click on settings and go to into settings. Wait for a couple of seconds. And now we want to select our calendar, right? Over here, you have add calendar, import, export option. And down below, you have settings for my calendar. So just select the calendar that you want. So let's go ahead and select the holidays right here. And over here, you will have the name of this calendar, the time, coordinates, and all of that. And then scroll down below, you will see you have the embedded code right here. So you just simply copy it and come back over here onto Notion and paste the embedded code and click on link. And then it will show you the Google Calendar right here. It's loading up right here. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds for it to load. And it should, there we go. As you can see, it looks really good. It doesn't look really good, but actually it gets the job done. So you don't have to worry about that, right? So by month, by week, you can go ahead and select it. You can go ahead and select it. You can go ahead and choose the dates right here if you want to, and you should be good to go. Same thing as well. Now you can create a separate calendar for it as well, so don't worry about it. Just simply click on add calendar and create a new calendar, and you can go ahead and create a new calendar for yourself. You could also go ahead and just simply click on import and export and just simply export your calendar. I don't think it would be, it would let you have future events that you might would want to create in the future in your calendar. So this would actually be much better. So now if you just simply come over here, and let's say you created an event on June 2030, right here on the 1st of June, you say event, right? And you add a location and all the description. You just simply click on save. So we have on June 1st an event. Now if we come back over here onto Notion and we go into June 1st, then you will see right here it says event. We just created it right here, as you can see, in June 1st, and it is available right here. Now, another way that you can add it is also very similar to this method. That is through this website called Indify.co. Now, what this website does is it basically gets you widgets for your Notion. So as you can see, level up your Notion docs with widgets. So let's go ahead and sign up. All right. You just simply sign up with your Google account or email address. And once you've signed up, you should be good to go. So now what we can do is over here, you can see you have a bunch of different widgets. So you have the calendar widget right here. So we just simply click on calendar widget, and we'll just go ahead and call it Google Calendar right here. Number 2, click on continue. Now over here, as you can see, it's generating our widget, and we have to please log into the calendar. So we'll just simply sign in with our Google account, click on continue, and here we go. So now we have our Google Calendar right here. And now we also have the link right here. As you can see, we just simply copy the link. We'll come back over here. Let me just delete this for now. And we'll just go ahead and click on forward slash and embedded. There we go. We'll paste the link of Indify and just simply click on embedded link. Wait for a couple of seconds for it to load up. Let me just make it bigger right here, and there we go. This one is actually much better looking in my opinion, because of course this is an actual widget, and it will show us a bunch of different options as well. So if I come back over here on identify, we can see what type of calendars we want. We can even select different calendars. So we can go ahead and select holidays over here. You can select multiple as well, so it's If you go upgrade to a paid plan, you can try the multiple account and you get multiple calendars over here, so you don't have to worry about it and switch one after the other. But yeah, this is one of the easiest way, in my opinion, to get Google Calendar in your Notion account, because I tried a bunch of ways to find it. There were a lot of ways. There were websites. You would have to buy a plan. You would have to do a bunch of other stuff. You had to make automations and stuff, and it just didn't seem to work. So this one is the easiest and most effective way to get a Google Calendar to sync in your Notions account, in my opinion. Now, is it perfect? Of course not. Does it work? Of course. Will it get the job done? Definitely. So you don't have to worry about it. But if you still want to try, there are other ways. They are a little bit complicated, in my opinion, because I just tried them and they didn't work, or they would work, but it'll try a lot of. But as I said, it's complicated and it would require a lot of, messing about. For instance, let me show you. So this is the calendar, right? Now, there are other ways as well. There's one way where you use this application called Bardeen. This is an extension, and you over here you basically create a playbook. Now, what is a playbook? It is basically a automation. All right. There are some auto books already available, as you can see right here. So you could just simply go ahead and use one of these if you want to, like this one as well. As you can see, you just simply search for Google Calendar, it'll pop up. So you just simply click on add to my playbooks and it should be available right here. There you go. So you just simply click on run playbook. You just simply add in the start date, right? Let's say the start date is January 1st, 2020, and the end date is going to be January 1st, 2029. And you just select the Notion database, which is going to be the calendar database. Remember inputs, all right? So you enter in the start and end date and all of that, and just simply click on save and run playbook. It should work, right? Copy all Google Calendars events during a time frame. There you go. As you can see, your last command did not return any results. So this is what I mean. It could work, but you would have to do a bunch of stuff to it. You would have to do a lot of input. You have to input a lot of data. So instead, without wasting your time, that's why I showed you these two options in the first place, so that you can just simply go ahead and get started with it. It is a little bit slow, but I think it works and it's worth it. So yeah. So anyway, that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.